I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. The peak of the last push of snow in central areas is this afternoon through this evening before diminishing in the overnight. The highest snowfall totals of 5 to 10 inches should be southeast of the line from Stapleton to Wellfleet on over to Lexington and Ord. Amounts of snow decrease very quickly the farther east you go, with Thayer and Fillmore counties likely to see even an inch. Northwest wind gusts of 40 to 55 continue through the overnight and lead to additional blowing snow concerns. Lows tomorrow morning in the low to mid-teens and breezy winds result in below zero wind chills. The forecast is dry for tomorrow through Saturday. Highs peak out in the 60s to the low 70s by Thursday and Friday. The Easter weekend is slightly cooler as another system brings the next chance of rain and snow as early as late Saturday night, but more likely Sunday through next Monday. Significant snow not likely, but some light snow is a possibility. In the long-term forecast, Nebraska temperatures start seasonal to slightly cooler than normal, while Kansas temperatures are slightly warmer than normal this weekend through early next week. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures are mostly cooler than normal the middle part of next week through April 7th. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation forecast to be above normal this weekend through April 7th, especially for Nebraska and northwest Kansas this weekend through early next week. Key weather factors impacting the markets include colder air in the plains, a U.S. storm this early week, and continued rain in central Brazil. A powerful storm crossing the central plains continues to drift northeastward, reaching the upper Great Lakes by late tomorrow. Weather hazards today include blizzard conditions across portions of the northern and central plains, an elevated fire weather threat in western and southern Texas, and possibly severe thunderstorms building eastward into the Mississippi Valley. By midweek, rain spreads into the eastern U.S. Across the plains and Midwest, this precipitation a benefit to soil moisture just ahead of spring planting. Cold air trails the stormy weather with below freezing temperatures tomorrow and Wednesday as far south as western Texas. Later in the week, frost and light freezes may occur as far south as the northern Mississippi Delta and the Tennessee Valley. Tomorrow through Thursday, temperatures may dip to 0 or lower across portions of the northern plains and upper Midwest. In central Brazil, rain that started over the weekend continues nearly all of this week, building decent subsoil moisture for second crop corn where reserves have been more limited. South Brazil remains much drier this week and will rely on above normal soil moisture from early in the season. A few showers are possible in South Brazil for early next week. Argentina this week is mostly dry, outside of a few showers for southern areas tomorrow and Wednesday. The drier weather in Argentina is at a less than ideal time for filling corn and soybeans. Rain is expected to return to Argentina this weekend. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.